I found the fastest way to study. Now life is in easy mode. Have you ever studied for days only to get the same grade as your friend who studied at the last minute? Annoying, right? Even worse, you miss weekend plans, ignore your friend groups, and still get mediocre results. But here's the good news. You don't have to live like this anymore. The problem isn't you. The problem is the old, inefficient study methods you were taught. In this guide, I'll share strategies that will help you get higher grades in less time by studying smarter. These techniques are so effective that even average students can master them. And the best part? You won't have to sacrifice your weekends when an exam is coming up. Let's get started. 1. Quit sugary snacks. Feed your brain the right way. Do you think sugar gives you energy? Actually, it does the opposite. You get a short burst of energy, but then comes a crash that slows your brain and kills your focus. Instead of sugary snacks, choose brain-friendly foods. Nuts, fish, and fruits provide steady energy, keep your mind sharp, and help you stay focused longer. 2. Your mindset determines success. Think smart. If you start studying with the thought, this will take forever and be boring, then it will. But if you tell yourself, this will be quick, easy, and efficient, your brain will adjust. Harvard studies show that positive thinking significantly boosts academic performance. Try these affirmations. I can finish this topic in 30 minutes. I have no trouble understanding this. When you give your brain these messages, stress decreases, focus improves, and you learn faster. 3. Use a timer. Work faster with time limits. Stop studying for hours inefficiently. Instead, try the 30-minute rule. Set a timer and aim to complete as much as possible within that time. This technique is inspired by the Pomodoro method. It creates a sense of urgency, boosts focus, and minimizes distractions. 4. The 80-20 rule. Study what really matters. Not all topics are equally important. According to the 80-20 rule, 20% of what you study will bring 80% of your exam success. Topics your teacher repeats often. Key points highlighted in summaries, questions that appear frequently in past exams. If you focus on what truly matters, you'll get maximum results without wasting time. 5. Reverse learning. Start with the answers. Instead of reading an entire textbook, work in reverse. Check the questions and answers at the end of each chapter first. This strategy helps you quickly identify the most important information. 6. Prioritize your weaknesses. Step out of your comfort zone. Instead of reviewing topics you already know, focus on the ones you struggle with. Real progress happens when you fix your weaknesses. 7. Speed up studying with AI. AI tools like ChatGPT can completely change your study process. Summarizes, creates quizzes, and explains complex topics in simple terms. With the right AI tools, you can turn hours of studying into minutes. By using these effective study techniques, you'll feel less stressed and achieve top scores in exams. Share this guide with your friends so they can study more efficiently too. Good luck!